Today I picked up an LG Smart TV. It's the 24LJ4840W model. And what I like about this, we're going to put this into our RV because I already have a 24-inch LG TV in there, but it's not a smart TV. And this way I can access Netflix and YouTube and all that off of my hotspot. And this TV, it works off of a power inverter, so that it doesn't have to get plugged into the 120. It's just like my other one, so it should be a quick swap. So here we go. This is the little LG TV. Here we go. And it's white. There we go. I thought that was kind of an interesting color. A white television. It's 24 inches. And I said this has a power supply for it. Right here. The power supply plugs into a 120 outlet. But it converts it to DC power. So the part you plug into the television is DC. Okay, all the necessary instructions. There we go, that's the power supply for it. So this plugs into 110, and then you just have a low voltage plug you put into the television. I kind of like that because, like I said, we already have that in our RV right now. So all I have to do is just take the current TV off the mount and put this one on it. But there's the power supply for it, and then the plug. It's got a nice white remote and some screws for the bracket. But there it is. It's a little smart TV. And on the back of it, it has the power supply. It's got a LAN connection, 2 HDMIs. It has an optical digital audio out, which is nice if you want to hook it to a sound bar. And then it also has some composites, the component video and audio. So there it is. It's a neat looking little white television. It's going to look good in the RV. Thanks for watching. Okay.